Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Style. So in this video we are going to be creating some very simple lock accessories. This is something I would like to put up on my website. So I've got some clay beads here that I'm going to be using because it comes in so many different colors. I'm also going to be using these, of course, and I might add these in the set as well, not sure yet. Going to be using these. And you know what, I may even use some buttons. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do a few different sets. So I'm going to be adding some buttons as well. I'm gonna show you guys what they look like. This is what they look like. Super cute. So yeah, I'm gonna add these as well. So let's go ahead and get started with the bead ones first, and then we'll do the button set. Okay, so that is it for my colorful ones. You see how easy that was. This is the silver set. These are the gold sets. Now this one has a smaller, I don't even know what these things are called. Smaller crimp piece. I don't know. Bead piece. I don't know what they're called. But anywho, and they'll come with accessories. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 7. I'll probably add 3 more accessories to make it an even set of 10. I do not like odd numbers. So let's go ahead and see how we're going to do these buttons. Alright, you guys. So we are here with the buttons. And to be honest, I was just going to take some thread and like sew them on. But actually, once I started doing it, I said, nope, not going to go this route because it was so time consuming. To me, it just wasn't worth that amount of time. But then again, I'm not a person who is very good at sewing, so maybe that was also a problem. But anywho, okay, so what I did was I went on ahead and I just used this glue. I put a little bit of this glue. Let me grab one of these. So I put a little bit of this glue on, like a little line. And then I just set it on top of it like that. And what I also did was put a little bit of crazy glue on top to kind of really set it in there. Y'all. And then I let it dry for 24 hours. But y'all, this one right here is like stuck. It is not coming up. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Y'all, that glue works so good. Look at that. Look at that. Well, you know what? I was just about to say, I wonder if how good it is sticking on. But shoot, I guess that answered my question right there. Like, that answers it. So, hey, you can go ahead and you can glue, which is what I did. So I think that would make a cute set, like with the yellow, the black, and then the red. I think that would be really cute. So yeah, you guys, like I really wanted to get into like selling lock accessories, especially since I'm on my lock journey myself. I wanted to make some cute ones for me, which is why also one of these sets belongs to me. That one right there belongs to me. But yeah, just get creative with this. Like I said, I just like bringing ideas to you guys, and for you guys to just take it, run with it, and flourish, and just let it grow. So if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.